finally found a parking spot just outside of Vernon here. Gonna set up camp. Cook me a nice dinner. I'm lucky I got here soon enough before it gets dark.
So this is my traveling van this winter to help me put together all these videos that I'm posting about BC cross-country ski places. As you can see, it's just a regular van, but inside this summer I built a platform, so it has a double bed there for me. The pail with the toilet seat is exactly what you think it is, because one thing about being older in the middle of the night, yeah, nature calls, you've got to be there. So all in all, it's been pretty good for me getting around and getting to these ski places, so it's been great.
I got it all set up here. Well, a little nippy sitting out here cooking, but it didn't take me too long to get set up, and if it snows, I'm protected. Got the water boiling, ready for a package of some noodles. Definitely hungry after skiing it. Nickel plate in the morning and Vernon Nordic in the afternoon. Oh, it's been a busy day and I can't even open this. There we go. Get those noodles in there. Aha. Okay. Well, I'm looking forward to tomorrow skiing Silver Star and Sovereign Lake. I personally feel Sovereign Lake's probably the premier cross-country ski place in all of Canada. I've skied at some other good ones in Ontario, Highlands Nordic. Out here especially we've got Whistler, and then in Alberta's got Canmore, places where the Olympics were. Cartier, Quebec is a good spot. I did the World Masters there in, I think it was 2002. So, yeah, things are looking good. Give it a stir. Oh, Chef Boyardee here, I'm telling you. Woo! Looking good. Looking good. Okay, let's get it ready. Wow, here we go. Noodles.
Oh, that warm bowl feels awful nice in my cold fingers right now. I think I'll just hold on to this noodle soup for a minute and get warmed up. Oh, well, that was pretty good supper here. Noodle soup's done. And now I'm going to get ready for bedtime. Break down my little thing here that I have, and yeah, I'm going to spend the night here. It's supposed to get to about -5, so it'll be cool, but I've got a really good faded blanket to keep me warm, so I should be just fine.
Yeah, I thought I'd have my fire before it's really dark and enjoy it, because when it gets dark, I'm going to bed. It's been a long day, a wonderful day. Beautiful ski places I've been today. Once this fire's done, it'll be time. Getting cold, feel the temperature dropping. Well, I'm ready. Time to hit the hay. It's been a great day. Be up early, probably a little before 6, and drive into Vernon in a hurry. Find myself a McDonald's or Tim's or something, and take advantage of their facilities and get myself a nice hot coffee. A good way to start the day. And then drive up to Silver Star. Woohoo! I'm looking forward to this tomorrow for sure. Good night.